So today I have in the kitchen with me my kitchen kids, Nick and Michael, and we're gonna make some mini pepper pizzas. They have a case of the giggles, so you're gonna have to deal with that. Now you guys, you like pizza, right?
Yeah.
And you like peppers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna combine them and make some mini pepper pizzas.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how, but we've got these mini peppers and we wanna cut them. Now, in order to make them like this, where there's a lot of surface area where you can put stuff in it, we wanna turn them on the side, right? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the top, and then instead of cutting it this way, we're gonna turn it on the end, and we're gonna cut it that way. And then with the knife very carefully, away from you guys, right? Because we always cut like that when the blade is at an angle, away, all right? So let me do another one. I cut off the top, right? Then what do I do, Nick? I flip it over where? The side? Yeah, I heard you say that. ESP, must be mentally. And then you take out the membrane, right? All right, so guys, what we're gonna do here is that I'm gonna put some peppers on. All right, on there, Nick. Got to see this one come out. Mike, you wanna put some peppers on too? Go ahead, put them face up. Put some on there, Nick. Put some over here.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, I got a perfect pizza slice.
All right, Nick, now I want you to put a little, oh, you know what, before you do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on each one of these. Whoop, that's not a little bit. That one's got a little
Put
extra.
some of that one on that one.
Yes. Put a little olive oil. It helps with flavor. It'll help to bake the pepper, all right? And then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. And Nick, here, I'm gonna show you how to do this once, and then you do the rest, right? I'm gonna take a little bit of salt and just put a little bit on it. You don't want a lot. It'll help bring, yes, Michael, you can do some. Nick, do this row. We want to do this because it's going to add some flavor, and then it's also going to help bring some of the moisture out of the pepper. A little less than that. There you go. Now looks good. We're using sea salt or Himalayan salt. That's pretty much what we use in the house. Good flavor, a lot of health benefits. All right, Mike, that's good. So now, Nick, we need to put some sauce in here, and we just need a little bit. We don't want too much because if we have too much, it's gonna be like a sauce explosion. Keep going. That's probably perfect right there. That's probably even, you know what? That's perfect. Maybe just a little less even, right? So just a little less. There you go. So while Nick's doing this, let me explain what we did in the pizza sauce. You can buy pizza sauce in a can or a jar. We just make our own. I just buy tomato sauce, and then I put in some crushed basil, crushed oregano, some salt, some black pepper, and some garlic, right? And maybe sometimes some onion powder if you have it too. Right, that's good. A little bit gets on the pan, don't worry about it. A little bit more on that red one over there, Nick. A little bit, not too much. There you go. And then put some more on this one. All right, Michael, now you're up. We're gonna put some mozzarella on here. Don't be stingy, all right? That's good, Nick. You shaking them around to get them to settle? Is that a yes? He said yes. All right, so Michael, yeah, you know what? We probably want a little bit more. Just like when we get pizzas and we get a pizza and there isn't much cheese on it, we're going, man, you know, there isn't much cheese on this. We want some more cheese. There's a reason we don't want it to just plop it on. You know why that is?
Why?
Well, because the cheese is gonna cook on the pan and it's gonna turn black, right? So we wanna make sure if we put it in, we actually get it into the, right? A few of these are gonna be okay, but a big plop is not. So now we got the sauce, and we got the cheese. And what do you guys like on your pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. So we're gonna put some pepperoni. You both, here, Nick, let me get some over here for you. You can buy mini pepperonis. All I did was buy regular pepperoni, the round ones, and just cut them up in the little slices. While these guys are doing this, we're gonna put this into an oven, which is at 350 degrees. We're gonna cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. You really need to look to see how the peppers are done. They're gonna get a little softer, cheese is melted. They're gonna be great. So we're gonna finish this up and we'll stick it in. All right, we're back. We cooked these. We got them a little crispy, so we cooked them a little longer, but they look great. Now, guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna put them on here. And then what we're gonna do hit them with some Parmesan cheese. All right, guys. Nick, you want to do the honors? You want to do the honors too? Okay, tell you what, you cheese this half, and then Michael cheeses the other half. Or you just do half and half. Remember, slow. Yep. You want to get it on the pepper. Doesn't do any good if it's on the board. That one's kind of lonely. That one's for Daddy. All right, give it to Michael, please. We don't goof with the shredders because you want to shred your fingers. Slow, Michael. We're on this side. Told you they like a lot of cheese. Over here. Slow, slow. This isn't a race. If you miss one time, all the peppers will be red. All right, thank you. All right, let's try one of these. It's like pizza with peppers. It's really good. You guys want to try one? I know you just ate. You want to try one, Nick? All right. I'll make sure you get a lot of cheese on this. There you go. Yeah, it's not going to replace pizza, but it's fun to make. It's a little healthier, and it's a great little snack or finger food. All right, guys, have fun with your kids. It's all about making stuff, making memories. Or go cook something with your kids in the kitchen.